Actually, I find out what the problem was. The problem was because I created here, I initialized my list with string value. I already changed because I declared list as integer, and I added integer values, int values there, but here I initialized it with string value, so everything should work fine now. So let's run it. So let's check 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So no any duplicates. Victory. So let's it's practice 5. Let's proceed to hash set tasks. Let's start from creating a package. Hash set tasks. And again, let's create a main. Not sure I will use it, but and also let's copy our task here. So main, main, and let's add. So first second looks quite simple, and the third one also. Okay, let's again start with simple hash set. Main. Let's start with this group. So first, for the first task, let's create a hash set private set and integer, because we need numbers. Int set. What's wrong here? Okay, that's hash set. Yes. What else I need? Actually, I think to make it static or to do not make. Okay, let's make it static. Private static without creating an object. So let's initialize it. New hash set. And let's create method for adding numbers. Private static void add elements, and I'm going to implement it via collections at all. So integer elements, and here collections add all, and int set elements. Okay, and also I need to print it out. So let's create private static void print. Let's take a hash set as an argument. Okay. Hash set integer set. Okay, int set, and for int set I'm going to use for each cycle. System out print. Okay, let's create main method here, and insert add okay, let's try it another way. Private static void add elements. So I don't need to, okay, just one can call because it's static method, yes, and I don't need any object. And insert and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's wrong here? So yes, because it's static, I forgot actually when I prepared, I implemented it using object. So I forget a little bit that I need to implicitly reference to current class. And then let's print it out. So let's be simple. Hash set int set print. Why I can't call it print actually? Private static void. Because I am out of main. Yeah, I think print. And int set. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. And the second one, add. The next task is to add 10 random numbers into set. It's a little bit tricky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use random and add elements. How I can limit it to 10. I remember I made something like this. But don't minute. Yes, I'm going to create numbers using random, and then going to add them into hash set, and then I'm going to ask to input a number from a keyboard. So okay, I can do it. First, let's create let's create a method for add number to fill a hash set with 10 numbers. And before this, I insert clear. So before this, I'm going to clear my hash set to proceed work with the same and do not create a new variable. Private static void add 10 randoms. So I need to create random object, no new random, and let's add seed to make it repeatable. So we will receive the same random set of random numbers each time. And so because we need a 10, then let's make it with for each loop. So on insert add rand, and next int. So that's okay, I'm not going to print out anything here. So yes, from 0 to 10 we add a new rand. On each step, and then I need to check if we have a number here. Okay, let's make it just here. Scanner console, new scanner, system in, and let's print out enter and int number, and then next int. Okay, so here I prepared here, and next I need a method to check if we have this number in our set. Private static boolean, try boolean, make it boolean, try and is hash set contains a number. Now let's move it inside the method. All this stuff. So it was a problem with braces, and what's the problem here? Okay, scanner console, next scanner. And let's create a variable. It will be int number, and we assign number. We just enter it to this variable. So what's the next? So if int set contains int what's wrong here? Contains number. Okay, of course, yes. Contains number. Return true. Else return false. Okay, let's try it out. It's starting. Yes, so it contains number. Let's run it. Enter an int number 4. Okay, let's make it another way, because I didn't print result in previous version. So let's print out the result. False. And let's print our set to check if I implemented correctly. Okay, let's make it here. What's the problem with printing set? I forgot to add randoms actually. Okay, let's start with add 10 randoms, then print, then call our method. Stop and run. Oops. Okay. Let's make it rand next int Let's make it from 1 to 20. Okay, it's much more suitable. So let's call 12, which is not there, and okay, it return false. And let's enter 15, which is in, and our program returns true. Great. And next one. So what do I need here is to create string, create list of strings, and fill it, and create a method which will iterate through our list and add all the values into values are I wonder if I can use it without data type. An object. Okay. Actually, I really need to find out how to take any set. Integer elements. Okay. The method to iterate through list and add all values into set. Okay, let's create a list, private static list strings, yes, string list, and let's initialize. No, I think let's initialize it here, and let's comment our previous task. List, no, okay, new array list, can we just no, we definitely can't. Let me think for a minute. Maybe look in the book. Sure, I can do it, and I just forgot a syntaxis of adding something as list of values. Okay. Okay, so let's can I fill it just let's here list add all one two three. Okay, looks much better. So where did I stop? So I created a list and I found a way how to fill it with value, and so now it's turn off our method private static so I need to return set of strings set strings convert list into set. We take list as an argument, and so while actually I don't want to iterate forever. Actually for okay list for each set add yes. So let's create a maybe set here. So set string set, and let's initialize it with new hash set. And return set. And also let's make a method for printing string set. Private static void print set. Okay, print string set. So set string set. So set for each system Okay, looks we all set here. No, it's not a good idea. So let's split it into declaration and initialization. So we declaring private static set here, because actually my initial solution, in my initial solution, our set was visible only inside class, while actually no. Let's try first way. I have an idea. That new hash set. Okay, and let's create hash set here. Set string set and new hash set. And create it here, and let's assign set. Can I do it or I can't? I don't know. Simple hash set, convert list into set list, and I need to put list here, and print string set. That's print set. Okay, let's try it out. And let's check. I forgot the main idea. Hash, when we add values from list to hash set holds only unique value. So we should receive the same result here. Yes, and this is the magic of hash set. Great. So let's stop for a while here.